y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a Halara haul. This is going to be a little bit more casual because I'm just feeling a little lazy today, but I have tried all of these pieces on. I've been wearing them and really enjoying them, so I'm going to go ahead and share with you all the pieces that I have. Everything will be linked down below. I do have a coupon code, so go ahead and use this to save yourself a little bit of money. Thank you so much to Halara for sending me these pieces. I have a whole big basket. First thing in here is this jumpsuit. This is dirty, so ignore all the dog hair because I've been wearing this all day. So it is a tube top and it does have kind of this like patch right here to hold everything in. And it's so soft, and then the bottom is cinched, so they're nice and cozy. This is amazing. It does also have a kind of rubbery thing, so nothing is going to slip and slide. I've been wearing this a ton. I keep washing it and re-wearing it time and time again. It's just super, super cozy. I love it. I really love it. I've been wearing it with like sneakers and a jean jacket, and I just feel super comfortable. It's great for running errands, but then when I come home, I can just sit on the couch and fall asleep, and it's perfect. So love, love, love this. Next up, we do have another jumpsuit, but these are overalls. I love this. I do have these in the wide leg version and I wear them all the time, so I figured I would get the cinched at the bottom version, and I love them. They're amazing. They're super, super comfortable. I get tons of compliments on them. I love these deep pockets. It's super nice to have, and then they do have the front pocket that I've never understood why they use. And then the thing that I really like about this is it's kind of like a V waist up here in this area. So it's super, super flattering with these pleats and really just like makes me feel good about myself. It's also super lightweight, so it's really good for the summer. I'm not really a shorts girl, so I like things that are lightweight but still pants. So I love these. I did get another dress. I love the Halara dresses. This bra pad is a little folded. This one is one of my new favorites. It's super cozy. It is just kind of like a skater style, like an A-line. And then the back does have kind of a simple cross. It does have built-in padding and it does have built-in shorts. But the thing that I really like about these particular ones, well, there are two things. One, it does have pockets on the inside of the shorts, which is great. And then it does have what they call their like easy off shorts. So the shorts are not like fully sewn in. The back you can pull down so you can go to the bathroom without having to take the entire thing off. So this has been something I've really been loving as the weather's getting warmer. I really, really like this. Then I have this shirt. This is just a super cozy shirt. I have been doing a lot of Pilates and I wanted just like a cozy short sleeve shirt. And this is that. So it's super, super lightweight. It's definitely on the see-through side, but I actually kind of wanted something like this, just so it's like really, really lightweight. And then it does have kind of like a rounded hem in the front, but then the back is open, so it's really, really breathable, and it has this cute like twist detail. This is super comfortable. The only thing with this is I wish that I had sized up because it's definitely fitted, which is just not, I don't love fitted things in general, but it's still really cozy nonetheless. And I really, really like this. I also think this is totally something that you could get away with wearing with like a bralette, or it would be a really good swimsuit cover up because it's so light. So love this. Super soft. What I got is the only thing I have not worn, and it is because my puppy chewed a hole in the sleeve. So I'm kind of sad about that, but I did get to try it on and I really do like it. So I'm probably gonna order another one. But this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a cropped sports bra long sleeve situation. I love this like stitching down the side. It's so pretty. And then it is like double lined. It does have built-in pads as well, although it does have removable pads, is what I mean. And then it is just like a long sleeve. These are super, super cozy. You can kind of see the hole that my dog tore. I guess you can't really see it. But this is really, really soft. It's definitely on the thicker side. So it's not something that I would really want to wear too much in the summer. But I have gone to a couple yoga classes at other studios and it's freezing in there. So this kind of thing is really nice for that, or just like my neighborhood gym is always cold. So this is great, and I really like this color. I just think this is like a super good navy. I just really like this one. And then lastly, I decided to pick up something that's a little bit different. It's not going to, I can't really show this the right way, so I'll have the picture up. I'll have to look at the picture, but it basically is like a wrap skirt and it ties, but you can wear this a bunch of different ways, which is really cool. I kind of got this as like a swimsuit cover up slash like beachy dress for going out to dinner on the beach. And I really like this. It's definitely on the lightweight side, which I really appreciate. It's very breathable. You can kind of hear the material. It's wonderful. I really, really like it. I do believe this comes in another color, but as you can see, I like getting a lot of black clothing because that's what I find myself wearing the most. And I just really like this. I think this is really nice. It's really, really cozy. So it's different. I pushed myself out of my comfort zone, and I'm really glad I did because I found a new favorite. So this was pretty exciting. I feel like I got some great pieces. I think my absolute favorite is definitely that strapless jumpsuit, just because I've been wearing it like nonstop. So let me know what your favorite piece from this haul was. Like I said, everything will be linked down below so you can shop nice and easily, and I will have my sizing information as well. Thank you so much again to Halara for letting me pick out these pieces and continuing to work with me. It's such a pleasure, and I truly love all the pieces that I have, so it's a great partnership. If you are interested in trying out Halara, definitely go ahead and use my discount code to save yourself a little bit of money. And I really hope that you enjoyed this haul. Let me know what your favorite piece is down below. Thank you for coming and hanging out with me. I always appreciate you being here, and I hope that you decide to stick around. I will see you in my next video, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!